If you want to be at less risk of falls and more able to keep doing the things you enjoy doing, then you need strong hips. This is a truly beginner level program. I've got 6 exercises for you to strengthen the whole hip. So let's get going. Our first exercise is for the front of the hip. We're coming into hip flexion. You're going to need to hold on to something stable, lift up the leg just a little bit higher than the hip if you can, and then you're going to pulse it for 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to do the same on the other leg. Lift the leg up and pulse it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So exercise number 2 is a glute bridge, but we're going to come onto our heels for a bit more hamstring activation as well. And we're going to be coming into hip extension. So that's the second movement of the hip. Feet hip width apart, lifting up using the bottom and then relaxing on the way back down. And we're going to do 10 repetitions. Let's go. So lift with the bottom. You should also feel it in the back of the thighs as well, the hamstrings. 2, 3, 4, don't come up too high, we might start overarching the back. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you should feel that in the buttocks and the hamstrings. Exercise number 3 is going to be hip abduction, so strengthening the outside of the hip here. We're going to get a cushion or a pillow so our neck feels supported here. And then I'm just going to have the bottom leg bent, the top leg straight, one hip very much on top of the other. And then we're going to take the top leg, keep it straight, take it slightly behind, and then leading with the heel, we're going to lift and lower. And we're going to do 15 repetitions. Off we go. So lift and lower. You want to feel it kind of here in this jean pocket area of the glute. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and relax. Now if that felt quite easy, then this exercise might be a little bit too easy for you. You could use an ankle weight or place a resistance band over the legs and try lifting with the resistance band on. So 15 reps on the other side. Lift the leg, take it slightly behind, leading with the heel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nice and slowly, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And that should be burning there now. So we've worked the outside of the hip. Now we want to work the inside of the hip, the adductor muscles. And I'm going to use this Pilates ball. You could use a pillow or a cushion if you don't have one of these. Feet hip width apart. We're just squeezing the ball between the knees, breathing in. And as you breathe out, give the ball a squeeze. Breathe in, breathe out. You should feel these inner thigh muscles start to fire up. And we're doing 10 of these. This is number 4, 5, 6, 7. You're slightly tipping back with the pelvis as you squeeze. Try and breathe out. We've got 2 more and 1 more. So for our last 2 exercises, we're looking at some external rotation and internal rotation, 2 important movements of the hip for our mobility as well as our strength. So I'm going to Put my head onto this cushion again to support my neck. This time I'm going to have both knees bent and the heels are in line with the bottom. So imagine you're leaning on a wall and both your bottom and your heels are touching the wall. Then you're going to lift up the top knee, but keep the feet and the ankles together. And the idea is that you don't roll backwards as you lift the knee. So it's not necessarily a very big movement. You want to feel it here in this kind of jean pocket area. And the aim of the game is to lift without the roll. If you're feeling it more in the front of the thigh, you might want to bring that top hip forward a little bit. Okay, we're going to do 10 repetitions of this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so feeling it here, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lovely, and you should have really felt that here. If you wanted to make it a little bit more challenging, you could do it with your feet off the floor, still lifting up the knees, still no rolling back. Okay, on to some internal rotation. So this time we're going to have the knees together and we're just going to lift up the lower leg. So it goes up like this. 1, 2, 3, and this should feel quite nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now just to repeat those exercises on the other side. So lining up heels and bottom, one hip on top of the other, and off we go. 1, 2, and you might find 3, 4, that one side of the body is a lot stiffer than the other. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. And then for our internal rotation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You've got 6 excellent exercises there for strengthening the hips. As you get stronger, you're going to want to add sets. So you do your 10, have a rest of 30 to 45 seconds, then you add on another set. And once you get stronger, you can start adding some more difficult and challenging exercises. Enjoy. You've been watching Older, Fitter, Stronger. Hope to see you soon.